If you're running a WordPress website and struggling with email issues, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down why WordPress email problems occur, how SMTP can fix them, and why maintaining a good email reputation is crucial for your business. First, we're going to talk about how WordPress sends emails. WordPress automatically sends emails for various functions, including contact form submission, account verification, password reset, any admin notifications, WooCommerce related order confirmation or payment confirmation, or any other updates. However, these emails rely on PHP mail, which often leads to deliverability issues. Okay, let's get to the point. Why your WordPress emails aren't being delivered. By default, WordPress sends emails using PHP mail. The problem? Yes, many email providers block these emails or mark them as a spam. This can lead to missed contact form submission, order confirmation, or password reset emails, frustrating both you and your users. So how are we going to fix this SMTP? So what is SMTP? SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is a standard technology used for sending emails across the internet. Unlike WordPress default PHP mail, SMTP ensures that emails are delivered through a reliable and authenticated mail server. This helps improve email security, prevents spam filtering, ensure emails reach the recipient's inbox instead of a spam folder. So SMTP ensure that your emails are sent using authenticated email server, significantly improve deliverability. And there's a few steps you can do. You can choose SMTP provider, install some plugins in WordPress, and then configure your SMTP setting into the plugin. Then your email on your WordPress sent through the SMTP. So setting up the SMTP will fix all the problems of a deliverability. Well, even with SMTP, your emails can still end up in spam. If your domain has a bad reputation, here's how you can maintain a good email reputation. There's a few records that we can set up on a DNS, which is SPK, DKIM, DMARC records for authentication. These ensure that your emails are verified and not spoofed by spammers. We're not going to go through SPF, DKIM, DMARC in detail. Basically, we're telling mail provider server that we are not spammers. So we recommend to use professional email address, company address, instead of a free provider like a Gmail or Yahoo. Monitor your domain reputation using tools like Google Postmaster Tools to keep your domain has a strong reputation. These records help email providers verify that your emails are coming from trusted source and reduce the likelihood of them being marked as spam. Here we go. Fixing the WordPress email issue with SMTP is essential for running a professional website. If you need help setting up SMTP or improving email deliverability, Bitmon Group is here to help. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the update. See you in next video.